Before I give you some tips on how to grow blue ternate, let us collect some seeds first. We are now here in our veranda. My blue ternate worked her way up from the ground floor. It climbed up with the help of my yellow bells. This is how a seed pod looks like. This is the blue ternate, and this is the yellow bell. Look how thick her trunk is. That's how the blue ternate managed to go up. Up to the veranda. So tip number 1, use loam soil or potting soil. These types of soil are loose enough to allow air to enter your roots. They also contain ingredients that retain moisture and nutrients for your plant. Tip number 2, use a recyclable pot or any plastic pot, so it will be easier to transfer the seedlings to individual pots or seedling bags later. We will show you how to do that in our next video. Tip number 3, do not press down the soil. When you put soil in your container, do not press down the soil. Keep it loose so it will be easier for the roots to find its way into the soil. Here are the seeds. We will just put them on top of the soil. You do not need to bury it inside. We are putting all the seeds in one container since not all seeds grow or germinate. We will just transfer the live ones next time. We will water it. And place it in a warm area. Blue ternate seeds germinate faster when exposed to the full sun. Watch out for our next video where we will show you how to transfer seedlings into individual seedling bags or pots.